So let's solve the problem. The first thing is we need to understand what kind of proportion is the problem actually related to. Is it the direct or the inverse? So for me to know that, we need to understand the relationship between the quantity that is discussed in that problem. Notice that the problem is actually emphasizing on people, people and days. So you now ask yourself, what kind of relationship can we have in between the amount of people and the number of days you can take these people to complete the job? What would happen if the amount of people increases? What would happen to the number of days if you take the people to complete the job? Similarly, if the number of people decreases, what would happen to the number of days that it will take these people to complete the job? So far you are able to provide answer to these two questions, then you should be able to conclude what kind of proportion these question is actually related to. So the question is, if the amount of people, well, this is what I want you to know. You see, differentiating between men and women has no business with our solution. We are going to combine them because they are all humans. Are we together? Excellent. So let P represent people. If P increases, what would happen to D? It's obvious that the more the people and the less the days is the thing to complete the job. So definitely the day will decrease. Are we together? Excellent. Now, if the people actually decreases, then therefore we will have a high amount of days or a high number of days for it to take them to complete the job. Am I communicating? So in these kind of relationship, then we said that the proportion is inverse. So this is actually related to an inverse proportion, where one quantity increases, the other one decreases. Thus, we can set up an equation that will help us to solve the problem. So, next step. The next step is to basically, let's add the number of men and women together in the first place. So 12 plus 10 is 22. So 22 people